Ryerson Urban Farm is a quarter-acre rooftop farm on the Vari Engineering and Computing Center. We harvest for our Harvest Share members, the Farmers Market, the Good Food Center, and the chefs here at Ryerson Eats. Here in Toronto, there is a green roof bylaw, so every new building has to include a green roof, which is to soak up stormwater and reduce the urban heat island. And at Ryerson, we're using our green roofs to grow food. Urban agriculture is a great way to get fresh produce to the local community. It tastes better because it's ripened on the vine and it's grown ecologically, so you can really taste the difference. So Tuesday morning, the crew meets at 8 a.m. We go over the harvest projections, divide up the list to get ready for our Harvest Share pickup. We have 25 people who come on Tuesday and 20 on Friday. We got to keep moving quickly to get those bags packed and ready to go. So we sharpen our knives, we bunch our elastics, and we get out into the field and start picking. Wednesday morning is Farmers Market Day. We get started picking all of our hot crops like tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, cucumbers, and we collect all the food that we put in the fridge the day before, and we head over to market. We set up the tent, get the table set up, and ready to go for 11 a.m. sharp. Customers are lining up because that's when they get the most selection at the farmers market. I'm really excited to see the rooftop farm industry grow. Now that cities are using green roof technology to make our cities more livable, I think we're going to see more rooftop farms popping up, and Ryerson's going to play a really important role in supporting the industry as it grows, and I'm really excited to be a part of that.